Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I'd walk around in some of these hit and miss engines down here at the Florida Flywheelers Show. This is the January show, and check some bearing temperatures. I'm kind of curious what these engines run. It's right after 1 o'clock, and these engines have been running basically since 9 o'clock this morning. And we'll take a little walk around combustion corner and test some various engines. I got my heat gun here, temperature gun, that I use on my hot air engine, and its purpose is to on my hot air engine tell me when it's hot enough. And so what I'm hoping to do is put this gun up here and test some bearings. The temperature outside is right at 72 degrees. So this bearing is 81.5. Let's move over to the next one. This is 80.1. So it's a little bit warmer than the air. I want to walk over to, this is a Tom Thumb air-cooled engine. Let's see what this left-hand bearing says. 85.5. Right-hand bearing 83.1. Okay, let's go over here and see if we find another engine to test. So internationals, the two internationals running 80-85 degrees. That's pretty good. There's a 10 horse Fairbanks over here. Let's go test it and see what happens. If you have one of these engines and or have an engine, you got a temperature gun, test your bearings. Might tell you something's not quite right. You never know. So this is a 10 horse Fairbanks. Let's see if we can get this one. It's back around 97. We'll try the other side. $97 degrees. I don't know if we can get this LA or not. We'll try the crankshaft right here. $109. Okay, here is a, pretty sure this is a 4 horse international throttler. So let's try this bearing cap here and see what it says. 86. So I'd say that bearing is pretty good. $88. So that was pretty close. Walk down here to this here, check out these. Busy day down here at Florida Flywheelers. If you get a chance, come on back to the February show. I believe this is a 2 horse H Fairbanks. So let's do this. 86. 86, dead on. I'm gonna try this vertical T. $82. $84 degrees. We got a vertical Tuller top ideal here. I'll put it right there. 82. Maybe this side I won't be able to get too much, but we'll try it. 81.9. So those are good. Let's walk down there and see if we can find another engine to test the bearings on. So it's looking like it's a little bit higher than the air temperature, but might find one that's bad or ain't got enough grease in it. I don't know. This idea for this little tour here come up from a bunch of guys who were talking the other night about their bearings on one of their Babbitt bearings on one of their engines were out. or not running good or whatever. So it got me to thinking maybe it got too hot. Then I was thinking to myself, how hot is hot? I don't know. So I grabbed my temperature gun and we're going to do it together. Let's try this throttle or Novo here. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. See if we can get over here. About 110. Okay. I see another engine running over here. Let's try it. This is a, what is this thing? Looks like a Hercules to me. See if I can find the horsepower. This is a 6 horse. Okay, let's try the bearings on a 6 horse Hercules. Right there. Pretty good, 82 degrees. Ooh, this one's 95. So there's a 10-12 degree difference over there. Maybe I don't have enough grease in it, I don't know. Okay, let's try this one. This is a Desjardins. I have no horsepower. I don't have any idea what the horsepower is. I'm assuming it's about a 4, maybe a 5 or 6 or something. Okay, let's see what this bearing looks like. '87. '83. Okay, I think that's about it. That's all I see for combustion corner right now. So maybe that'll give you an indication if your bearing does not have enough grease or oil or something is going on and cause a lot of extra friction for that thing to get up like that. And I thought it was neat, curious to check it out. I may come back down here in February if the air temperature is a little bit cooler. Maybe try some different engines. We got some oil filled engines, but they're not really up and running right now, so can't do that. I was wanting to get some of these other ones, but maybe we'll do that in February. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. Come back soon. Bye-bye.